A guide by rankdco.com. Follow these steps to get a do follow backlink from a DA72 website for free. Open the Canvas page of instructure.com in a browser. Click here, link to create an account. Click on I am a teacher. Enter the details and click Submit. Open the email, and confirm the registration. Log in, and click on ePortfolio's link. Click Create an ePortfolio. Give it a name, and tick to make it public, and click Make ePortfolio. Now click on the Welcome page. Click Edit this page. Add the info with links, and click Save Page. Open the link in private window, to check the backlink. Visit rankedseo.com for 1,000 plus step-by-step backlink guides. Use the code YouTube for a 10% discount.